Welcome to Zig. In this video, we'll go over how to create, edit, and use 5-star reviews. Zig allows you to rate a given video or chapter based on its quality and usefulness. You can sort videos by review, making it easy to find the highest quality videos and chapters to study. To create a review for a video, navigate to the video you'd like to review and click on the stars. Here you can assign it a number of stars and give it a comment. Then you can click Submit. Let's say we want to edit our previous review. How do we do that? Click on the star icons again and click on Edit Your Review. You can edit the number of stars you gave it and the comment. Let's say we don't have a lot of time to study today. One tool that can help you out is by sorting by review. To sort by review, click on the drop-down and click Average Review. This will place the best reviewed resources at the top to make your studying more efficient. And that's how you take advantage of Zig's review features. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.